you come back. Let's practice English with me.
This is a consonant sound. You can hear it at the beginning of the word nice, in the middle of the word funny, at the end of the word sun, and at the beginning and end of the word none. In English, we make this sound with the tongue behind the teeth. N. And when you make this sound, you should be able to feel a vibration in your nose. N. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Nice, funny, sun, none. Okay. This is a consonant sound. Now in English, you will never find it at the beginning of a word because it only comes at the end of a syllable. So you find it in the middle of the word anger, and the middle of the word thanks, and at the end of the word rung. Now we make this sound towards the back of the mouth. And if you do this sound correctly, you can feel a vibration in your nose. Now let's practice. Listen to these examples and repeat after me. Rung, anger, thanks. Okay.
90.
90. My God. I guess. News. Now. Nobody. I remember this the song. Nobody but to go. Need.
Often.
Often. Want. Sunny. Afternoon. No.
Knife.
Knife. Winter. Snow. In.
91.
91. A sunny afternoon. Nobody knows the news.
Snow often falls in winter.
Fall, fall,
Fall. Snow often falls in winter.
I need that knife now.
I need that knife now. Young. King. Long.
wing,
wing, song, strong, waiting, singing, finger,
finger,
finger, singer, pink, bank, uncle,
A young king.
a young king, long fingers,
It has strong pink wings.
it has strong pink wings. My uncle is waiting at the bank. The singer is singing sweet songs. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. I love you.